Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot pops up, and here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it into your device just like this. So like, it won't ask me for any pin because it's like my personal SIM card, and I don't use any pin, but as you can see there's notification that SIM1 detected, and as the proof of the SD card's existence I can go to files and show you that now we have SD card here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.